Assalamu alaikum students of class 6. I hope you are all doing great. In grammar today, today's lecture is about the use of one word for many words. Here we will learn that a single word can replace a group of words or a phrase. यहाँ हम सीखेंगे कि एक सिंगल वर्ड लफ्ज़ों के अल्फाज के मजमूए और एक फ्रेज को रिप्लेस कर सकता है. That single word can be a noun, an adjective, or an adverb. Let's see what's there in our exercise. Match the people with their description. Here we have a number of nouns. इन तमाम nouns को इनसे relative descriptions के साथ हमें लिखना होगा. For example, one who bakes bread and cakes. एक शख्स जो ब्रेड और केक्स बेक करता है. We call him or her a baker. A group of these words can be replaced by this single word. One who flies planes. एक शख्स जो जहाज़ उड़ाता है. We can call him or her a pilot. Again, this phrase can be replaced by this single word, pilot. Let's have another example. One who gives advice on food and nutrition. एक शख्स जो फूड और न्यूट्रिशन यानी ग़िज़ा और ग़िज़ायत पर नसीहत करता है. We can call him or her a dietitian. A doctor who specializes in the care of children. एक डॉक्टर जो बच्चों की केयर में स्पेशलाइजेशन करता है या महारत रखता है. We call him or her a pediatrician. This is how you can solve the whole question. Read the description carefully and you will be able to do so. Next question is, fill in the blanks with a single word with the same meaning as the words in the brackets. Choose from the box. यहाँ हमें ब्लैंक्स को फिल करना है एक सिंगल वर्ड के साथ, लेकिन उस सिंगल वर्ड का मीनिंग वही होना चाहिए जो कि ब्रैकेट में दी गई इन फ्रेजेस या ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स का है. All of those single words are provided in the box. This is the box. We need to choose from this box to fill in the blanks. Here the first sentence is, yesterday was the hottest day in more than a. The hint we have here is 100 years. 100 साल यानी एक सदी. We can use a single word, century, replacing these words. In the days before motorized vehicles, the dash played an important role in war. Motor vehicles के दिनों से पहले dash played an important role in war. Soldiers who fight on horseback. Soldiers जो घोड़ों की पुश्त पर लड़ते हैं यानी घोड़ों पर सवार होकर जंग करते हैं. We can call those soldiers cavalry. The cavalry played an important role in war. The true dash is always ready to serve the nation. Someone who loves their country. कोई शख्स जो अपने मुल्क से मोहब्बत करता है. That person is called a patriot. एक सच्चा पैट्रियट, एक सच्चा मुहिब्बे वतन अपनी कौम की खिदमत के लिए हमेशा तैयार होता है. Learn the phrases or groups of words in the brackets and you will be able to fill these blanks. That was all for today. Thank you so much and goodbye.